Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Buxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for some pesto tuiles, which are these beautiful crackers made with Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, fresh basil, and pine nuts. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by finely shredding half cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Then add 1 cup of fresh basil into a food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, the shredded Parmigiano Reggiano, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix everything until you have a nice and smooth pesto, scraping the sides of the food processor if needed. Next, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2/3 cups of water. And blend it again until well combined. You can control how thin and delicate your tuile is by the amount of water you add. The mixture should be thin and smooth. Heat up a small non-stick skillet over medium heat and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mixture. Then move the pan around to spread it. As it cooks, the mixture will bubble up and form the lace pattern. Once the tuile starts to firm up and get golden, give it a quick flip and cook for an extra 30 seconds or so. Remove it from the pan and place it over some paper towel. The tuile will crisp up as it cools. Wipe up any excess oil from the pan and repeat the process to make more tuiles. And here we go, beautiful pesto tuiles. These not only look cool, but they taste great. I am serving mine today with a tomato and mozzarella salad. Starting with some fresh pesto, fresh mozzarella cheese, a mixture of cherry tomatoes, some flaky salt, olive oil, toasted pine nuts, and the pesto tuile. I'm also garnishing it with some fresh basil. And it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.